Hey, good morning. Saturday morning. Man, look at that yard. My wife has it looking fantastic. So already did a fertilization, and she's mowed it, and she's treated it for bugs. This grass up here is called Floritan, okay, up there. And we have it over here, and we have mostly in here too. And it gets a little weedage over there. It's hard grass to keep going, but she does a great job. She knows what she's doing, that's for, and she gets after it, folks. Just like we're going to be doing today. We got a house wash to start the day, then we have another house wash, and then we'll end the day with a pool cage, okay? So it's a busy Saturday. No rest for the wicked, right? We're working 6 days a week here for a while, so you know, it's all good, right? All right, enjoy the day. I'll do a little bit of downstream talk, a little job layout. Let's see what the jobs look like first, and then we'll go from there. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast, and let's get the day going. Get after it. Okay, good morning. Job number one here, and this is a regular customer. It's just a little dirty, dingy, dusty. We do this every year, okay? All right, I got my injector hooked up to the loader. There's the loader. That's what you'll see if you have a 4 gallon a minute machine. This is the line that come off the reel. We got 150 feet out today. Run your line on over, and we're going to be running very soapy, sticky, icky pine is going to be doing this job nice and fine. All right, I had some fence added onto the ticket, so a little bit of an upcharge this morning, but as you can see, it's just you see that little stuff right there, and the soffits are a little bit dingy, discolored. We'll get them back to white again. It's going to be a good day today. 3 jobs on the docket, and we're already jacking the price up a little bit. See this kind of stuff here? See that all up there? All this collects. That's pretty nasty, huh? Okay, here's the fence that was added on. And you can see the drip edge up here. I think their windows leak. Look, they got and this fence has to get cleaned up. Got all this stuff on it, and we got mold over here. You see the mold on there? Green, green, green. We'll get it cleaned up. We're going to be doing that little porch in there, and like I said, just want to clean this stuff up. Look at that green algae on there. More stuff on the drip edge. All right, the layout of the job is we're going to be starting the job out in front by the garage. We're going to come all the way down to here, then we're going to rinse it all the way back around. Going to get the driveway rinsed off. It's a painted surface, so we're going to SH it and lightly pressure wash it off. Again, we'll get the mini Mondu out, and we'll hit the sidewalks, okay? We'll get all this tile cleaned up, blown off. We got a mud dauber up in the corner there. Get that out of there. But it's just dingy. All right, let's get rocking and rolling. I'm gonna make this Saturday as quick and painless as possible. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's take a quick look. We got an SH all the way across the front, all the way up there. Everything's looking good all the way in there. The windows, driveway's got Sticky icky, look at that. Oh, gee, Tennessee, it sure is soapy.
That's right, Chumley. I added a little extra today.
Oh, what'd you do that for?
Because I like to see a lot of soap. That's why, you big dummy.
You always like to see a lot of soap. I don't know why you think it's so nice.
Because it looks good. And you can see where you're cleaning.
Oh, that makes sense.
That's right. I make sense and you don't. So just shut up and get back to work.
Okay, boss. And now for the satisfying runs of the first half.
See? We're ready. 3, 4.
All right, let's have a look. The whole front looks great. Windows are clean. Tiles all clean. All the drip edges clean all the way down. Coming along nice. Got that little pad cleaned up. All right, got the driveway halfway rinsed off. Just got to take the mini mon, do the sidewalks at the end of the job, and do the gutter in the road. And this job is going quick. See how clean the driveway looks from here. All that's good up there. So when I get done rinsing the driveway, we're gonna head back down the side, around the back, get her done. All right, let's get after it.
Over the mountain, under the sea. I love you, baby, you sound look good to me. Oh, 'cause you're my sweet sugar dumpling, everything that I want. So hold me, baby, and kiss me twice. Hold me, darling, 'cause you babies, you sure smell nice. Oh, you're my sugar dumpling. Wow, everything is nice. You bring the sugar and baby, I sure will bring the spice. Come on and darling, I love you good. Hold you all night and just like a good lover should. 'Cause I got a strong love, my spine is straight. Don't you know it? It sure is true. Come on and darling, I'm crazy about you. You're my sugar dumpling, everything that is nice. You bring the sugar, baby, I will bring the spice. Go on, Paul Nelson, play that thing now.
All right, let's get a look. Let's start right over here where this the big bug accumulation was. See all that up there? Beautiful, right? The fence, you can see it's bright white from here, except for the hose went over the top of the fence, left some dirt and soap there. It's okay, we'll wipe it right off. Porch is all clean, pavers are clean. Look at this pond out here, it's pretty cool. Real live lily pads. Pretty neat. When you're in Florida, you got to watch out when you approach. I was looking. A lot of water moccasins hang around ponds like this down here. Look how nice the fence came out. Looks great. All right, they got a little pressure hose there. They can clean their mats up this afternoon. I mean, I clean them every once in a while. If you're just going to leave them piled up in my way on a Saturday, oh, chances are I'm not going to clean them. I'm a lot nicer on Mondays. No, I'm only kidding. Those mats were shot. And what are you going to do? All right, we're just going to get these sidewalks done. No need to film that. I'm Don from Super Blast. Place looks really good. Driveway came out really good. Mailbox is clean. We'll get this little bit here and we'll be out of here. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. Let's get after it. Hey, 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 that was a good one there. It took an hour and 5 minutes to knock that one out. Hopefully the next one's a small knock out of the park kind of deal, you know, make this day pretty quick. I gotta go all the way, it looks like Weeki Wachee. I gotta go to Brooksville, so I am gonna stop by the house first, grab something to eat, then head on out and get the last few jobs done. All right, guys? All right, we'll see you at the next job. Let's get after it. Okay, here we are at job number 2. We're not gonna do the house, so we only have a house and pool cage. We're gonna do the pool cage. We're just gonna hit this side right here. This is a brand new customer, so we're gonna pick this up. She does it 3 times a year, she says. By the looks of the pool, I think she does. See this right here? The last guy that was here didn't do this side of the house. She wasn't happy with the guy's work at all. So he's now lost the whole job. All right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come back out of the pool cage. We're gonna get the side of the house. We're gonna go around the outside the pool. Then we'll come inside and get that done. So let's go ahead and get started. And what I mean by that is let's get after it.
Pressure. Feeling pressure.
All right, I can see that the gutters and the soffit are clean, 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 and that lattice over there is clean, clean, clean. Got the outside of the cage done. Now what we're gonna do is a satisfying rinse. Then we're gonna go inside and wipe that out. We'll be done for the day. All right, let's get after it.
Pressure. Feeling pressure.
All right, let's take a quick peek of the soffits before we go inside and finish this pool cage up. Look how nice that looks up there. It looks beautiful. Looks like somebody actually did something. It only took a couple minutes, you know what I'm saying? All right, we're gonna put this in the corner over here where you can see everything. This way you can see it all, right? Clean the furniture, everything. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna SH everything down. Then we're gonna rinse all that behind there, move all the furniture back, then continue on. All right, let's get after it.
Come on now, darling, well done, strong. Won't you kiss me, make it last all night long? You're my sweet little thing. Are you everything tonight? Well, come on, darling, you are the one. Come on, now, baby, I'll take you to the sun. You're my everything. All that red beans and rice. You bring the sugar, baby, I'll bring the spice. You bring the sugar, darling, I'll bring the spice. You bring the sugar, baby, I'll bring the spice.
All right, let's have a look. That was the SHing, the satisfying rinse, and the cleaning all in one. Try to make the video a little shorter so we get a little bit more viewing time, you know? Some days when I work a long day, that's kind of impossible to make that happen, but you know, I don't expect everybody to sit through an hour video every day. So that's what I'm trying to do, shorten it up. Boy, look how nice that came out, huh? Lady's gonna be very happy with the shiny windows and the clean soffit all the way down. That was a nice little gesture on my part, and now I've just retained another customer that's going to get their house clean and their pool cage kept up 3 times a year, she says. So let's see if that holds true, and we'll be back in about, I don't know, 4 more months. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do so. Tell a friend, tell a neighbor, tell your mom. Moms love clean, all right? Remember, get after it, all right?